So let's leave the echoes of history behind, head back into town, or more specifically, head out to the farmhouse. This is a true country cooking destination. However, out here, catfish isn't just on the menu, it's the main event. And this place reels them in from far and wide to soothe their craving for crispy fish. This is owner James Ward and a plate of deep fried goodness. Y'all like your fried food around here, huh?
Yes, sir.
I can't fault you. This is one of our generation's greatest contributions to country cooking. It's the fried pickle. The mushrooms, don't sleep on the mushrooms.
No, that's a fresh mushroom. We cut it up.
Farmhouse takes the time to make food the way it should be made. Carrying on the traditions James learned from his nanny at her farmhouse. All before opening this restaurant with his dad back in 2001.
I tell you what, it's just been a blessing to Mexia. I mean, we've been busy ever since.
And the star of the show since day one, Catfish.
It's one bite and you're hooked.
There you go.
That's our slogan. People will drive for catfish like they do barbecue, man. Even more so, in my opinion.
I mean, y'all got the steaks on the menu, the chicken frieds, things like that.
They're coming for the fish. They're like a catfish connoisseur.
All right, James, you gotta have some sort of secret. Can we step in the back? I wanna see you cook some catfish.
Yes, sir.
Where the magic happens, baby.
Grab 3 just like I just did.
And no one ordered catfish sushi? Ooh.
Just shake it.
That's a little different motion in the ocean right there for these catfish. Cornmeal it up, baby. There's gotta be something special about this.
I can't give away all the secrets,
Okay.
but a package of this lemonade drink mix. Throw that in your cornmeal and your flour, you're golden.
Where in the heck
Hey,
did you learn
nobody
that
wants
trick?
that muddy taste.
I'm pocketing that trick for later. Well, hey, I'm on a roll. Hey, you want catfish tonight?
There's a bunch of tickets coming
Who
up,
wants,
man.
who wants catfish? Let's go.
Yeah.
I know, drain it, drain it, drain it. Go, move, Chet, move.
He's a
I'm
pro
telling you,
already.
I'm telling you. I gotta do something when this TV show burns out. That basket?
Drop it right in here.
It would take an army of day trippers to keep up with the catfish orders coming in. So I think I'll retire and go eat mine. I hope this is the catfish I made because I feel very bad if anyone else in this restaurant is eating it. The regular comes with 6 pieces. Anywhere else, that'd be the Ultra Grande. I mean, that is awesome. Not too heavy on the cornmeal. It's so weird to know that there's lemonade mix in here. We've eaten a lot of catfish around Texas. I think we might be moving into catfish connoisseur territory. A catfish-asseur, we might call it.
Sounds like a dinosaur.
This is fries, beans, coleslaw. Because what else do you eat with catfish?
Salad?
Coleslaw is salad. That's basically salad soup.
Oh, gosh.
You know, James made the point that people will drive insane amounts of distance to eat fried catfish. I was like, no, come on. But then you eat it and you're like, oh yeah, I drive insane amounts of hours to eat that catfish. To see the full episode or to get info about how to visit this spot, trip on over to thedaytripper.com.